Understanding Gone Pear-Shaped, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Idioms add color and expressiveness to the language, but they can be quite puzzling for learners. In this video, we'll unravel the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, gone pear-shaped. So, let's get started and find out why things sometimes go pear-shaped instead of going smoothly. The phrase, gone pear-shaped, is a uniquely British idiom, often puzzling to those unfamiliar with it. It's used to describe a situation that has failed or developed problems unexpectedly. When plans or projects go pear-shaped, they deviate from the intended course, resulting in a less than desirable outcome. It's akin to saying things have gone wrong or gone awry. The exact origin of gone pear-shaped is not definitively known, but there are a few theories. One popular theory relates to Air Force pilots during training. When attempting to create a perfect circular loop in the sky, any mistake would lead to a distorted, pear-shaped loop, indicating a failed attempt. Another theory connects to balloon makers or glassblowers, where a slight error would turn a perfectly round shape into a pear shape. Despite the unclear origins, the phrase has certainly ballooned in popularity and is widely understood in British English. Understanding the idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in conversation is another. Here are some examples to show how gone pear-shaped is typically used. 1. The project was going well, but it all went pear-shaped when the team lost its funding. 2. We planned a picnic for the weekend, but the weather went pear-shaped, and it poured rain. 3. I tried baking a cake for the first time, but it went pear-shaped and ended up burnt. In these examples, gone pear-shaped clearly indicates that something has not gone according to plan. Today, we explored the intriguing idiom, gone pear-shaped, uncovering its meaning, possible origins, and how to use it in everyday conversation. Idioms like these make English a vibrant and colorful language. Hopefully, this video has demystified this peculiar phrase for you, and you're now ready to use it when the situation is, well, a bit pear-shaped. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the quirks of the English language.